Okay, so this video is for Phys 2320 Computing 2, and this is just an example of how to go and submit your coursework after you finish doing the Semester 2 coursework in the Minerva Ultra system. So obviously you log into the module and go to the coursework folder, and then down at the bottom there it'll say coursework submission, and you click on that. And then you can go and start a submission. So you click on the view assessment at the bottom, and then this gets you the point where you can start working on your submission. So then you, where it says type your response here, you click in there, and we're not going to type anything in. Instead, you're going to attach the files that you want to submit. So you go to attachment and click, and then that opens up a dialog box, and then you navigate to where you've put your files, and then you can either select all the files in one go and do open, or you can do them one at a time. It doesn't make a difference, and so it uploads it, and you just confirm the name, and then you do the same again. Whoops, don't want to link. Sorry, I wanted to attach. Let's do those two together. And it attaches like that. And so remember, you're submitting at least three data files. So there should be your Python code, which should be named by your IT username.py. There should be your report, which is in a .pdf format. And you should look at the sample report on Minerva for how it should look. And then there should be the assessment data file that you've used in order to go and generate the figures that you show in your report. So you have at least those three files. If you have written another Python module with some extra functions in it, obviously you'll need to upload that as well. So then you just do submit and confirm that. And then it goes and says, yes, you've done the submission. You can download your submission if you want. It will also go and email you a submission receipt. And so when you've done that, you know you've got the submission successful, and you can just go and close the coursework submission, and that you're done. You can submit as many times as you like, but we're only going to mark the last one you submit. And you should only submit after the deadline. If you only do a second submission after the deadline if you're absolutely sure it's going to be worth the penalty mark that you're going to get by submitting it late. In general, it's very rarely the case that submitting things late is better than submitting them on time. So I advise you not to go and do that. Okay, and that's all you have to go and do.